Alright, so today we're going to cover installing Visual Studio Code on a Mac. So open up a web browser and type download Visual Studio Code and then search. And it's going to be the top result here, so I'm going to click on that. Here you can see there's an option to download Visual Studio for Windows or for a Mac. We are going to go with the Mac since we are on a Mac today. It takes a second for the zip file to download. Once that's downloaded, I'm going to check on it real quick. And it looks like we're close to done. All right, we're done. Okay, so I'm gonna open it up from the bottom panel in downloads, open up that zip folder, that unzips the file, and now we have Visual Studio Code. I'm gonna drag it into applications. Now we can see that we've got Visual Studio Code in our applications. So we're gonna take that, and I'm also gonna attach it to the launch bar at the bottom, just for ease of access. Once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and double click on that, and that will open up Visual Studio Code. It asks if you trust this app since you downloaded it from the internet. We do. And so once you see this screen, it means you've successfully installed Visual Studio Code and you are safe to move on with the rest of the course.